Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are building a Shopify store in 2025 and don't want to spend money on premium themes just yet, you're in the right place. Today I am going to show you the top 5 free Shopify themes that are fast, flexible and designed to help you boost sales. Let's jump in. Alright, kicking things off at number 1 is Dawn, Shopify's official default theme. It's lightweight, super fast and works incredibly well for almost any type of product. You get great flexibility with sections, image banners and product displays. Perfect for beginners starting a general store or branded niche site. Next is Refresh, a clean and minimal theme made for health, beauty or skincare brands. It focuses on building trust, showcasing product benefits and giving users easy navigation. If you are selling self-care or organic products, this one looks super professional. At number 3, we have Sense, perfect for merchants who want to tell a brand story. It includes large images and video sections, ideal for explaining products and connecting with your audience. Great for building lifestyle brands and high converting landing pages. Coming in at number 4 is Craft, designed for artisans and homemade products. This theme highlights product craftsmanship with a warm boutique style feel. If you sell homemade goods, unique home decor or thoughtful gifts, Craft is a great choice. And finally, number 5 is Studio, perfect for creators, artisans and digital product sellers. It's stylish, colorful and visually focused. Your store will look like a modern gallery, ideal for prints, artwork or any kind of creative product. Now, before you choose your theme, ask yourself a few important questions. What kind of product am I selling? Do I want a clean, minimal look or something bold and eye-catching? Do I need to focus more large images or detailed descriptions? Pick a theme that matches your brand and your products, not just hot looks cool. If this all feels overwhelming or if you want to help setting up or customizing your Shopify store, I offer affordable setup services. Check the link in the description below to learn more or book a free consultation. Alright, that wraps up our top 5 free Shopify themes for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tips and leave a comment below. So, which theme are you planning to use this year? I personally reply to every comment. So let's chat.